Assalamu alaikum. Hi, welcome to Beena's Food Hub. Today I'm making chicken meatball soup, a flavourful healthy soup packed with vegetables and tiny bite-sized delicious chicken meatballs. This soup brings you an explosion of flavour in every bite, a hearty and filling soup at its best. So let's get started. The ingredients needed for the chicken meatballs are 500 grams of chicken mince, 1 small onion finely chopped, 1 teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste, 1/4 cup of chopped coriander, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 small egg lightly beaten, and 4 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. Add in all the ingredients mentioned into the chicken mince: the onion, ginger and garlic paste, salt, cumin powder, black pepper powder, coriander, breadcrumbs, and egg. Mix all the ingredients until everything is well combined. Marinate the chicken mince for 30 minutes in the fridge, but if you don't have the time, it's okay, you can shape the meatballs straight away. Place some water on the palm of your hand to prevent sticking and shape small meatballs from the chicken mince by rolling them in your hand. They should be bite-sized, around ½ inch. The meatballs don't need to be perfect, but roundish. Ask someone to help you to liven and speed things up. If you want to do this step during the process of cooking, then go ahead. This chicken mince makes approximately 90 tiny meatballs. Once they are all ready, let's begin making the soup. You will need 3 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste, 1 medium tomato cut into small pieces, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, salt to taste, black pepper powder to taste, 2 teaspoons of cornflour, 1/4 cup of water to form a paste with the cornflour, 7 cups of water for the soup, 1 large carrot cubed, ½ cup of sweet corn, 1 medium-sized red bell pepper cubed, and 1½ cup of chopped mushrooms. In a deep pan, heat oil on medium heat. Then add 5 meatballs into the pan. Crush them into the oil and stir fry until nicely golden. This flavours the soup and gives it a nice chicken broth base. Add the ginger and garlic paste and fry for a minute. Then add the tomatoes. Fry until they lose their shape and get very soft. This will take around 4 to 5 minutes. Lower the heat if required. Add all the vegetables, carrots, sweet corn, mushroom and bell pepper. Stir fry for 2 to 3 minutes on high heat. Then add the salt, black pepper powder, and cumin powder. Fry for 1 to 2 minutes. Then add the 7 cups of water and bring to a full boil. Lower to a medium heat and drop the prepared meatballs one by one into the soup. Once all the meatballs are in the pan, let the soup cook for 30 minutes on low heat. When the 30 minutes are up, pour the 1/4 cup of water into the 2 teaspoons of cornflour and thoroughly stir to make a smooth paste. Add this cornflour paste into the soup gradually to thicken the soup, stirring continuously. Cook for a further 2 to 3 minutes and turn off the heat. The chicken meatball soup is ready. Serve hot with your favourite sauces and enjoy with toast, some croutons, or on its own. Remember to hit that subscribe button and share with your friends and family. Thank you for watching.